Kate here with WTI, and if you're in the market for a humidifier, this one from OPOWO might be exactly what you're looking for. Personally, my skin gets so dry in the wintertime and it drives me nuts. So I love having this humidifier in my room near where I sleep. I run it all night long and it just helps to reintroduce a little bit of moisture back into that super dry room. It has some really great features. There's a timer, so that's what I use. I put on the 8-hour timer for nighttime, but there's also a 2 or a 4. It has a night mode, so not only can you turn off the light that's inside, or you can leave it on if you like a night light or a little glow, but you can also turn off the display by holding down on the night mode for a little bit. You can adjust your humidity levels. You can also choose how much vapor you want to escape. So there's 3 different levels. There's also a plant mode. So lots of versatility with this humidifier. You can even use it for beauty purposes if you'd like. It has a great size reservoir. So for my use, I can get almost a week out of a full tank. So that is nice and low maintenance. I don't have to worry about filling it up all the time. It's also very easy to clean because when you take the lid off, it gives you full access. There's a little spot to put essential oils. So if you want to infuse your room with a beautiful smell or aromatherapy, you can do that too. They honestly thought of everything. I love how easy it is to use. It looks nice. It comes with a remote even, so you can adjust from a distance. It's exactly what I personally needed. So if you want a humidifier for a small space, I think you'll be really thrilled with this one too. And that's my point of view.